Hello Sisi, hello Tialin. Sisi, look what I wrote online. If now things are so fashionable right now.
Oh, I see. To be honest, I'm not really into those large high tops.
They are super comfortable to hold your hand.
I don't like how they look at me. I prefer small, subtle hairpins. They look more elegant.
I understand, but I just love how this whole my hair is so giving me a head. I'm actually fan of the mid color too.
Well, I guess we have different tastes. You like big and bold. I like small and simple.
True, that's what makes it fun.
Thank you.